Hey, Dr. Tom Preston here, founder and CEO of Full Circle Coaching and Consulting, and I'm very excited about having you as a guest at our Full Circle Intensive this November 21-22. Our intensives are always theme-based, and the theme for this intensive, and certainly the talk that I'm going to be doing, is on expansion. And there was only two ways to expand, gang. Yeah, they got to bring in more new people, or you have to help them see the value, educate them to the value of staying under care for the period of time that it takes for them to maximize the benefits that we all know that you can get out of chiropractic care. So I'm going to be talking to you about the philosophical, the scientific, and the economic reasons why retention is such a great strategy to help people maximize their fullest salutogenic health potential and allow them to experience the life that the Creator loved them into existence to have. And we have that gift, we have that ability as chiropractors to be able to allow that to happen. But only if we understand the mindset and the capabilities and the skill sets needed to help people see the value of staying under care for the right reasons, to allow them to maximize the benefits. That increase in retention is going to increase your volume. That increase in volume is going to allow you to experience all of the quality of life that you enjoy. And this is my wife and I's quality of life. We bought this dream property a few years ago, built our dream house. We have 87 amazing acres that we live on, and we got wild turkeys and deer and all kinds of wildlife here. And again, that might not be your cup of tea. That's not the point. But one of the reasons we were able to manifest this life of our dreams is because of the things that we're going to share with you at the November 21-22 intensive that will allow you to live whatever version of a dream it is by helping people see the philosophical, economic, and scientific reasons why they should stay under care and help that retention grow, which will help your volume grow, which will help your revenue and your profit grow so you can live the life of your dreams, even if it's not mine. I look forward to seeing you there.